How to change text size on Snapchat iPhone. So if you want to change the text size on Snapchat iPhone before you send it, whether you want to make the text bigger or you want to make it smaller, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change text size on Snapchat iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Then once you open the Snapchat, click on Friends. Then select the chart where you want to make it text bigger on the Snapchat app. Then once you selected the chart, go ahead and type in your chart. So let's say I want to send the chart how to make text messages bigger on Snapchat. Then make sure your cursor is tracked to the end here. Then you have two arrows, one up and the other one, which are gray. Then locate the two arrows up and down, then drag on it. Then if you move up, it's going to make it bigger. And then if you move down, it's going to make it smaller like that. You see that? So once the text size is big enough or the text size is small enough, then you can let it go. Then once released, it's going to send the text. Is that? So that is basically how to change text size on Snapchat iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.